All right, good day, viewers. I remember my humble self again, Otemu Ogrenenyero, teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Math Sources. If you follow me on the board, it's a wide question. Say the table below shows the division of marks scored by some students in the test. If the mean mark is this, find the value of M, and B, find the interquartile range and the probability of selecting a student who scored at least 4 marks. Now, we say mean is equal to sum of number over total of number. And the mean has been given to you in the question. What is the mean? The mean is 3 whole number 6 over 23. Now, it's equal to 1 times this. Look at it here. 2 times this. Look at it here. 2 times m plus 1. 3 times this. Look at it here. 3 times 2m minus 3. Then 4 times this, which is m plus 5. Then 5 times this, which is 3m minus 4. Yes, so we are going to add the frequency or the number of students together. Yes, m plus 2 plus m minus 1 plus 2m minus 3 plus m plus 5 plus 3m minus 4. All right, so what we need to do is to change this mixed fraction to improper fraction, which is 23 times 3. You will now add 6 to it. Give us 75 over 23. So you multiply here. Yes, m plus 2. 2 times m is 2m. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. 3 times 6m. 3 times 2m is 6m. 3 times minus 3 gives us minus 9. 4 times m is 4m. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times m is 15m. 5 times 4 is minus 20. All right, when you add this at the denominator, 1m, 2m, 4m, 5m, 8m. 8m. When you now say 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 2 plus 5 is 3, 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So here's 75 over 23m over 23. Then when you add all the m's together, you have 28 m's. This plus this is 3, 9, 13, 28 m. When you this plus this, when you add all together, give you minus 9 over 8m minus 1. So what do? We cross multiply. What do? We cross multiply. This will multiply this, this will multiply this. So 75 into 8m minus 1 is equal to 23 into 28m minus 9. I come again. 75 will multiply this fraction, this will multiply that. Okay, let's now multiply. 75 times 8m. 75 times 8m give us 600m. 75 times 4 gives us 75. Now, 23 times 28m. 23 times 28m, 644. What is now 23 times 9? 23 times 9, 207. Okay, let's collect the m to one side. 600m, this one become minus 644m is equal to minus 207. This one become plus 75. Plus 75. Okay, so let us subtract. Let us subtract. What is 600m? Give us 44m minus 44m. Now, what is minus 207 plus 75? Give us minus 32, minus 132. Now, let me come to this side. I'm going to draw this diagram. Okay, let me clean here. Because we are looking for m. All right. So we divide both sides by minus 44. So m is equal to minus 132 divided by minus 44. Minus, we can do minus. What is 132 divided by 44? Divide by 44 give us 3. So m is equal to 3. That is the question number 1. So we should find m. After finding m, before you will find the interquartile range and the other one, okay, let's come here. I want to draw the table again. So now, we put m here, the mark, and the number of what? Of students. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, m is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 times 3 is 9. 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. This is not the table. So now, we are asked to find what? We have to find the interquartile range. So let's get this number first. This total number here, when you add it, this plus this is 10, 20. Okay, I come again. Here is 5. Here, 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10, 18, 23. Here is 23. And we are asked to find the interquartile range. Interquartile range is equal to the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. Interquartile range is the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. Let's get the lower quartile. Q1 is equal to n plus 1 times 25%. Q1 is equal to n plus 1 times 25%. And n is, look at the n here, 23 plus 1 times 25%. So if that is 23 plus 1 times 25%, and what is 23 plus 1 is 24. 24. What is 25% is 0.25. Okay, what is now 24 times 0.25? Times 0.25, it gives us 6. This is 60. So let's get 6 now. Let's get 6 from here. Here is 5. I will take 1 from here to make here 6. So the upper quarter is this, 2, which is equals to 2. Q3, which is the lower quarter, sorry, Q3 is the upper quarter, is n plus 1 times 75%. And it's 23 plus 1 times 0.75. And it's now 24 times 0.75. What is 24? What is 24 times 0.75? Give us 18. Give us 18. Now let's get rid of 18 with 4, yeah? Yeah, give us 7, 10, 18. So this is the upper quarter, which is what? 4. So interquartile range we said is Q3 minus Q1. Our Q3 there is what? Is 4. Our Q1 there is what? Is 2. So the answer is 2. So the interquartile range there is 2. We are asked to find the pass mark if at least 4. If you find the pass mark, or student who score at least 4 marks in the test, at least is from here, stop here. If I say at most, we come back, at least is here. So you add these two numbers, which is Roman figure 2, probability of getting at least 4 is equals to 8 plus 5 over the number of sample space, which is 23. So you give us 13 over 23. You can change it to be a decimal word fraction. This is how we can solve that problem. God bless you.